Engineering drawings for welding are specialized drawings that communicate welding requirements and specifications. Engineering drawings serve as a universal language, providing precise instructions and guidelines for construction and assembly of structures and components. Typically, engineering drawings are made up of various sections, such as the title block, parts and assembly drawings, and notes section. In addition to these sections, an engineering drawing for welding contains welding symbols that are used to specify a weld on the drawing. The title block is a standardized section that contains essential information about the drawing and its creator. The title block contains identification details, such as the drawing title and drawing number, authorization details, such as the name of the drafter and name of the approver, and specification details, such as the scale, units of measurement, and industry standards. The part and assembly drawings section contains the various dimensional and cross-sectional views of the individual parts and the overall assembly view. The welding symbols are graphical representations that convey welding-specific details on the part and assembly drawing section. Welding symbols provide crucial information such as the weld dimensions, weld symbol, which indicates the type of weld, weld location, weld finish, and joint type, and other complementary information such as the welding process. The notes section provides additional information and specifications that are essential to meet any other requirements pertaining to the weld. By understanding welding symbols and interpreting engineering drawings correctly, engineers can ensure clear communication and successful execution of welding projects.